Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't download any games from a Google Play Store on Oppo Reno 10. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Right here, if we try to install something like, for example, we can go for this game right here. We click on install. And the game is stuck on a pending. It won't begin the actual download. We can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. Now open the settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page and go for additional settings. Then enter date and time, and right here we can activate set time automatically. Now go back to your Google Play Store and try to install the same app. And now it should begin almost immediately, just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.